We are finally getting fresh tomatoes in the garden again. Really excited. We've got flowers, starting with the strawberries. And tomatoes are even getting some flowers. How beautiful this bok choy is. It's so pretty. Hi girls. Good morning. The loquat tree is being a bee and pollinators buffet. And one of my new additions is this Barbados cherry tree. It's already got some blossoms on it. And this is supposed to fruit from spring until fall, so pretty excited about that one. My seed starting makeshift area. The long beans are doing fantastic, along with the dragon tongue beans. 3 of the 4 germinated. Got some zinnias coming up and a white cucumber along with both my Kajari melons. Nothing with the peppers or the zucchinis yet, but it's only been about a week. Also got these seedlings, cauliflower, the red mustard kale, Swiss chard for the wind. 1 cauliflower anyway. More purple bok choy, some speckled bib lettuce, and the dill. The other 2 herbs are not doing anything yet. And then my sugar apple tree, I've had about 2 years now, so I staked it up. This gets way more sun here, so I'm hoping to get a little bit more of something happening with that. And then I added a couple more blueberry bushes, which I thought this might be a really good spot for them next to the pool. I've got this pumpkin vine. My tomatoes doing really well. I took the hydroponic out. I'm gonna give that to the neighbor. I got one for the inside, much smaller. The heat here and everything just gets way too much algae. I'm constantly fighting that. And of course, there's a plane going over. But yeah, so lettuce is doing well right now, tomatoes, and peppers are getting there. Swiss chard, my favorite. So pretty. So check back, because things are flourishing and I'm having some good vibes for 2022 in the garden. So we'll see. What do you think? Checking out the situation? And I know you guys are probably like, fresh tomatoes, it's December. Actually, no, sorry, it's January. Yeah, we're in Florida. So when y'all are looking through all those seed catalogs and looking at all those beautiful seeds and artichokes and cauliflower and broccoli and all that. It's like we don't usually ever get to grow that here, even the big slicer tomatoes, just because pests get to them. In fact, I have one heirloom tomato out there, a Jubilee, and I showed you guys a couple of the nice bigger ones on there, and was looking at it yesterday, and sure enough, big old hornworm in one of the tomatoes I had to take off. They're just not even close to being ripe yet. So kind of disappointing, but just kind of comes with the turf of gardening. I'm finally getting some fresh tomatoes again, really excited. We're supposed to get a little cold snap this week. I think it's gonna get down into, I don't know, like the 40s, which is pretty cold for us. So I know I started all those beans and everything. I'm not gonna put all that stuff out. Leave all my lettuces out, they should do fine. My Seminole pumpkin may go ahead and peter off after that. So we'll kind of see. I'll cover what I can. I don't have much because I've gotten rid of all the raised garden beds to get these vertical beds, which I didn't think I would like that much, but I just love them. I mean, they are so prolific and productive. Like, I love it. So I've got another one coming, in fact, so I'll have 3 total. And then I'm just gonna keep the 2 raised garden beds and then a longevity Okinawa spinach bed, because that's about the only thing that flourishes here pretty well and pests don't get to. So I can pretty much do that year round there in that bed. And then my fruit trees, so. But anyways, so yeah, check it out.